Dear class, I welcome you again in grade 9. Class, today we are going to start our third session of our chapter or unit, that is the electronic spreadsheet. Earlier we had discussed that what is the meaning of spreadsheet, workbook, rows, columns, tables, etc. So in this session, we are going to discuss that how to formatting a data in a spreadsheet, how to make a chart, table, etc. But class, before we can move further toward our next topic from our unit electronic spreadsheet, there are some common instructions for you. Dear class, day by day cases of COVID-19 are increasing. So, it is your moral duty that you can take care of yourself and your family members. Always wear a mask. Always sanitize your hands. And the last and most important thing, always maintain a social distancing. So I hope you must follow these instructions. So by following these instructions, you can be a good citizen of our country. So now let's begin with our next topic, that's formatting data in a spreadsheet. Class, basically a spreadsheet is commonly used to perform calculations and analyze the data in an efficient manner. So, you have learned various features of a spreadsheet in the previous chapter. So, dear class, in this chapter or in this topic, we are going to discuss various formatting features of MS Excel. So now let's start with various components and various common formatting tools. So dear class, this is your MS Excel sheet. Here today we are going to learn about formatting worksheet. So formatting helps to enhance the overall look of a worksheet. For example, if you can change the text alignment, font, color, style, so you can apply the formatting effects. So there are the various formatting effects are available. So this is the icon, that is the home. So here in the home icon, there are the various features and components of the formatting are available, like font, alignment, number, change in the text, color, paragraph setting, etc. So these are the common formatting tools. Class, if we can talk about the what are the various common formatting tools that are available in a given worksheet. So here there are the various tools, like if we can talk about this icon is called a bold. Next one, I stands for italic, U stands for underline. Afterwards there are the various color options, font size, text alignment option, merge cell, number format, etc. The main important feature, it includes that we can change are the different type of text language from here. Like if I want to change in the text language, so there are the various option appears. So according to our own choice, we can choose the theme font. So this is a very important feature and a common formatting tool. Now class, our next one is that how we can edit data in an MS Excel. Like if I want to enter data here, so simply I have to click on this. Then we have to write the option in the cell. Like here I have to write the profit. Then I have to enter a data that was occurred in the month of Jan regarding profit, like 900 profit. If I want to enter data in the profit in month of the Feb, we can simply click it here in this cell, then we can enter the data. Now if we enter a data in the month of March regarding profit, we can again simply click in that cell or in that area where we have to write. Like if I want to write it here, we can simply click it and then enter the data. So this is the way that how we can enter a data. So dear class, this MS Excel is a very important software. If you are having a laptop or system at home, please try these features of MS Excel. So thank you class. Have a great day ahead.